I cook this juicy, spicy brown stew beef. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I miss you guys, so today I'm here with a video for you guys. So I'm gonna cook my brown stew beef. Today's a video on how I cook my brown stew beef. Stay tuned guys for info on how I cook my brown stew beef my way. So as you can see, I have the beef, I have some thyme and some scallion, and some people might call it green onion, pimento, browning, garlic, granulated, and ground ginger, and salt. And I have some other season that I'm going to use, but for now I'll be seasoning this with I'm going to season the meat now with this, so tomorrow it can be marinated. Now I'm going to cut up my ingredients and add them to the blender. I'm just chopping them up to put in the blender. I love to use lots of garlic. And then you're gonna blend all this together. Instead of water, I use vinegar. Instead of water, I use vinegar to chop up the vegetables or the seasoning. Add my garlic powder, or people would say granulated garlic. Some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm gonna add some ground ginger. So what we're doing now, we're rubbing in the season. And then after this now we're gonna put it in the fridge. Then we'll come right back. Now the meat is fully marinated. We're gonna prepare it. We're gonna start cooking right now. We're gonna add Now we're gonna add some onion, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, and thyme. We're gonna add some more seasoning again. Oh my god. I like to add more seasoning. Even when I season it before, I like to add more seasoning after. Now all the flavors has come together, and now we're finished. We're finished. And now the pot has landed, according to us Jamaica. The boat landed now. Now for burst the pepper look a bit calm. I like my food look a bit spicy, but my family don't like spicy food. And I always say, oh, you put the food with too much pepper. You couldn't take out the pepper. But I like pepper, but you know I make it so spicy because I want to enjoy the food. Yes guys, this is my brown stew beef. Nice and juicy. Not too spicy, but has a little spice. Nice. Delicious. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my video if you're a new viewer. Bye guys.